My artwork from Vinchy Art just arrived, which means we get to finally finish this hallway makeover. I was so up in the air with what I wanted to do with this space, and now I love it so much. Moment of truth. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Exciting day because my artwork from Vinchy Art just arrived, which means we get to finally finish this hallway makeover.
Okay.
Do I need to sign?
Yeah.
Okay. Last week we really took the time to do all of the moldings, all of the painting. It was a lot of detail work to get to the stage where we can get the artwork in that we've been designing this entire room around and finish decorating it. And I am so excited to reveal to you what this is gonna look like, because honestly, it's not the longest project that I've done in the apartment, but this room, there's such a transformation. It was such like a basic beige hallway with really no personality. I had had a makeover done on it years ago. I never really liked it, and now it's just gonna be filled with personality. But I cannot wait to see this artwork. So let's unbox this artwork from Vinchy Art and see what they have created for me. All right, so our artwork from Vinchy Art has arrived. I'm so excited to see this. It came so quickly too. I'm shocked at how fast the shipping was. So, let's open this up. Moment of truth. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it. I love the texture. Oh my gosh. And it's really cool because like they have the photos on the website, but then the artist specifically paints this one for you. So this was specifically painted for my apartment. All right, moment of truth. Oh my gosh. I love this one. I love all the textures, and I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but there's so many like different raised element with the oils and stuff. Oh, I really love it. I wanted something that was simple, but had like a lot of texture to it. Those are generally the type of abstract paintings that I'm drawn to. I like the simpler lines. I like the calmingness of it versus something that's just really chaotic, lots of color. I love these. And the black and white really made it possible for me to do the color drenching, because then I could do color all over. And then these are actually the focus because they're the black and white in the room. And I think they're gonna be perfect. I love them so much. It's also super convenient. It comes with all of the stuff to hang it. They have screws, they have nails, they have wall anchors in here, everything you're possibly gonna need to hang these correctly. I want to take a quick second to talk about the collaborators on this project with me, Vinchy Art. If you do not know who they offer a wide variety of abstract oil paintings. Highly suggest going to her site. If you like abstract art at all like I do, they offer pretty much every type of abstract painting you can imagine. They have abstract landscapes, portraits, minimalistic, wabi-sabi, they have everything. And the idea behind Vinchy Art was to really create a company that uses abstract art that's not only decor, but really helps improve your mental health and improve your physical health inside your home. And honestly, it's so cool because it's not just a company where you pick a painting and then they ship it straight to you. You pick out the painting and you order it, and it's basically commissioned for you. An artist will then recreate that painting and work with you to create the perfect painting for your space. The artist did a first pass at my paintings and they came back and asked me if there's anything I'd like to change, if there's anything I'd want to tweak. And it's so cool and unique because these paintings are made specifically for you. They're honestly one of a kind. It only takes about a week for them to commission the paintings, and then shipping is free, and you'll get your painting in 3 to 7 days after it's been shipped. So you can have a brand new commissioned oil painting for you in 2 weeks at the most. It's such a cool company, and I'm honestly so glad they reached out to me because when I was scrolling through their pages, there were so many paintings that I loved, and trying to choose just one that I wanted to create an entire room for. Honestly, it was so difficult because I was so inspired by so much of their artwork. It's so beautiful. If you're an admirer of abstract art like I am, they have been kind enough to offer the Designing the Dream family 35% off any purchases using the promo code DTD35, which is honestly 35%, a huge discount. Thank you so much to the people at Vinchy Art, not only for the paintings and for helping me collaborate on this space. I am so inspired by your work, but also for offering this huge discount to the Designing the Dream family. I'm so grateful. Check them out. You won't be disappointed. Now, we have a couple things left to do in this hallway before we can hang these pieces, these crown jewel. We need to figure out the lighting situation. I have a rug that I think is going to work perfectly. There's a little spot for like a table and stuff. I have just some decor things that I want to get done in there that I think are really going to liven up the space. But the main thing is lighting. It is a dark hallway now, so we need to brighten it up. And I have a couple tricks up my sleeve. So let's get this hallway ready for this art. The first thing that has to go in this room is this awful overhead light. Safety first. I'm using the overhead lighting as an opportunity to tie the hallway into other rooms. The globe fixture is obviously similar to what we did in the kitchen and also what I have in the dining room. Because the fixture itself is on the simpler side, I added a ceiling medallion just to bring in that ornateness we have in the rest of the hallway. Obviously, the biggest issue I was going to have in this hallway makeover was lighting. This is already a dark hallway. It's the only room in the entire apartment that doesn't have a window or some kind of natural light. It only has that one overhead light, and I hate overhead lighting. I like options when it comes to lighting. So I needed to come up with a plan, and I didn't want to do anything that had cords running all over the place, like the lighting that I did under the cabinets. At least I could hide those cords. There's nowhere to hide cords in the hallway. So I had to think about it. And I found these. These are rechargeable wall sconces. They have a little USB-C port here that I can take down and recharge. I love these things, and they're really sleek and really modern, which is gonna marry so well with that super traditional molding right next to it. I got 4 of these. I think they're gonna make all the difference. I especially love that they are backlit. So, because a wall sconce is right in your face and there's not going to get any kind of shade, you know, I don't want to be blinded when I'm walking down the hallway. So these are dimmable, they're backlit, so it's going to be super, super moody and elegant in there. And I love how sleek and modern these are. I think they're going to look amazing in that hallway. I'm going to link them in the description down below if you guys want these. I love these. These are so cool. Let's go hang them up. And because these wall sconces are sold in packs of 2, I actually had 4, so I decided to add that last one in this alcove right next to the bathroom. And honestly, I'm so glad I did. It looks like it was always meant to be a part of the design. Sometimes things just work out like that. And with the lighting done, let's decorate this hallway. This mirror was here before, but it feels like a completely different mirror with that brass next to this blue. It is so good, so good. It looks so good. I bought this little bistro table a while back because it is the perfect size for this little alcove. But with this new makeover, the style of it feels intentional and like it was always supposed to be here. Shopping for a runner for this hallway was particularly a challenge because it's so narrow. I knew I wanted to go more traditional, but I wasn't quite sure which color to go. I found this runner at World Market, and I really love the navy undertones that it has that match the walls so beautifully. I do wish it was about like a foot longer, but for now, it's perfect. It is finally time. The crown jewel of the hallway, the inspiration for this entire makeover. Let's hang up our new artwork from Vinchy Art. is gonna do it for this hallway makeover. I want to give a massive thank you to Vinchy Art for sponsoring this whole makeover. I am obsessed with these paintings. I love them so much, and they really did inspire the entire room. I was so up in the air with what I wanted to do with this space, and now I love it so much. It's such a special small space. Not a huge space, but every space counts when you have a small apartment like this, and I am obsessed with this hallway now. Thank you so much to Vinchy Art. Reminder to all of you, check out their website. They have so many cool oil paintings on there, and use code DTD35 to get 35% off. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, do so now. We have tons of projects like this coming up. Can't wait to show you. I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye guys.